Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. When I say the Ripple will surge by 50,000, I mean it. The next bull market is coming, and we need to be ready. It's possible this is your only chance to buy a coin at this price, and if you miss it, you'll regret it. I don't understand what's going on, but I'm really excited about this. Permit me to elaborate on the topic of withdrawal. Crypto enthusiasts who point out the remarkable rise in value during that period by contrasting its historical performance with Bitcoin's. It ultimately climbed by approximately 50,000 to outperform Bitcoin, which it had been lagging in terms of percentage increases. The current market situation is very comparable to what transpired in 2017. This is therefore crucial for us. Known more generally as the crypto boom, 2017 was a banner year for the cryptocurrency sector. In a bull market, asset prices, whether those of equities or cryptocurrencies, are going up. Since of this, investors are encouraged to buy more since they think the trend will keep going. Growth and opportunity abound during this time for investors. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, saw its price soar to a new all-time high at year's conclusion. Interestingly, while Bitcoin's gain was spectacular, the valuations of other cryptocurrencies, such as, saw even more astounding increases during that timeframe. Its value rose sharply, particularly in the second half of 2017, which helped it gain a remarkable percentage compared to Bitcoin. The meteoric rise in value of B made it one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies of the year. Why is it so important right now? Because putting the present market dynamics into perspective necessitates knowledge of how cryptocurrencies have performed in the past. For example, the sharp increase in 2017 is a good reminder of the short-term volatility and profit potential of the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies such as Web have a history of extremely volatile prices, so investors should be wary. When considering cryptocurrency investments, current and future investors can learn from 2017's lessons about the market's volatility and unpredictability. This year's lessons emphasize the importance of thorough research, understanding market patterns, and being aware of historical data. Another thing that makes you wonder what factors are affecting its price movement is that it had such a dramatic spike in 2017 but is now performing poorly. Considering the sudden and unexpected increase of more than 15% in the price of Bitcoin, Ripple might start to grow shortly if historical events follow predictable patterns. Startled most investors in the weeks leading up to January 2017, the market suffered heavy losses for 5 months in a row, starting in October 2016. There was a 37% drop in price throughout that time. In contrast, Bitcoin's value has grown substantially during the same time period, with reported positive price movements occurring for the 5 months spanning October 2016 to February 2017. Importantly, this data reveals that Bitcoin's performance varied during that time, even while Bitcoin's value was generally rising. It had been losing money steadily for some time. Several cryptocurrencies can have different price shifts, even within the same time frame, as seen by the precipitous fall in value of 37, illustrating the diversity and instability of the cryptocurrency market. The value of Bitcoin increased by an incredible 87% in the month of February in the year 2017. As a result of the spike, Bitcoin's value increased from $571 in October 2016 to $10.70 in February 2017. What's even more interesting is that Bitcoin kept rising after February 2017, yet it quickly recovered and surpassed Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin had a rocky start in March of 2017, its value increased by a whopping 584% in just 10 days as a client. This shows that the price of E rose sharply in a short amount of time. The following months sustained this extraordinary climb. In April 2017, it rose by 143, and in unbelievable March 2017, it rose by 374. Additionally, throughout May 2017, there was an increase, however not to the extent that I consider Bitcoin's value to be significant. Bitcoin experienced a tremendous 70% growth in May, rising 26% from the previous month. The disparity between India's value in April and the rest of the period relative to it is quite remarkable to return to Bitcoin. The extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market is sharply illustrated by these sudden price fluctuations. Cryptocurrency's value can fluctuate wildly in very short time frames. In the whole year of 2017, the value of Bitcoin went up and down at different points in time. Nonetheless, you could see a general upward tendency, with the lowest price point increasing over time. The fact that it outperformed Bitcoin during this time, while starting off slower, is intriguing, and the term uptrend is often used to describe this pattern of behavior. Its value increased at a far higher rate than Bitcoin's, according to this. When prices climb consistently from low points and continue to rise, even though there may be some fluctuations along the way, it shows a robust market and that prices are generally going up, which is why investors are always looking for trends like this. Take into account that this occurred during the 2017 bull run, a period of extraordinarily high prices. To put things in perspective, starting at $936.60 in January 2017, the price of Bitcoin surged by almost 2,000%, eventually reaching almost $20,000. By the end of 2017, considering Deweyville, it started trading at less than a cent in January 2017 and soared to over $3 in January 2018, indicating a tremendous increase of around 50,000%. Its value increased significantly during the 2017 bull run, therefore you should aim to follow in its footsteps in 2021. Although these price fluctuations were lessened as a result of the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit, in line with what the SEC has determined, when they offered Ripple to investors, they violated multiple regulations because it was represented as an unregistered security. By rejecting the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) appeal and so refusing their attempt to argue certain aspects of the case, the court provided some clarity regarding the most recent ripples. While this is a major win for Ripple, which has been working hard to clarify its legal status with regulators, it seems like we're back to where we were in 2017, with little progress compared to Bitcoin, whose value is skyrocketing. Some investors have voiced their displeasure, leading them to dump their interests, just like in 2017. A recent investigation, however, found that cryptocurrencies seldom witness significant price increases until Bitcoin's price reaches or exceeds its all-time high. Presently, it is trading for 62 cents, which is just 21 cents more than in October. But Bitcoin's price has risen by 64 days during this time, and it's now trading at around $44,000. If this situation plays out like it did in 2017, when Bitcoin's price rose more than Ripple's, Ripple will likely continue its 6-year winning streak and significantly influence the cryptocurrency market. All investors can rest assured because this is something that numerous cryptocurrency experts are absolutely sure of. Is that something you can get behind? Could the Ripple possibly imitate that pump? Will the Ripple continue to grow? Which forecasts are you in possession of? Could you kindly inform me by posting a comment? I would greatly appreciate it. As we wrap up this video, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this and have any questions or comments, please subscribe, post a comment, and press the like button. See you later, bye.